everybody. Welcome to Moose's Workshop, also Starry Night Railways. Right now, we're doing some old barn finds. It's actually from our old family home. This stuff's been up in it for about 30 years. Some of it's mine, some of it's my dad's that my dad gave me. Tons of stuff more up in there, but this is what I grabbed today. Just 2 little totes worth of stuff. And we got a lot of robots and we got a lot of trains. So we're going to start doing the kind of unboxing, show you what we found. And we're going to start with the robots first. So if you want to skip the trains, that'll be after this, because there's a ton of trains. Okay, let's start. Let's see, let's go over on this side. Let's move all this out of here. There we go. There's robots. Okay, from the original Typozoids, we got the blind T-Rex guy. He's missing his arms, his little discs, and his pterodactyl little clicker that makes him shoot discs. But I think the motorized part on him still works. Pretty cool. I do not remember the name of this thing, but it's just parts. There we go, let's get it in here. Got a lot of parts of him. Got torso, got the legs. Got one of the boots. I think I got a hand in here too, not sure. But maybe somebody needs those. See, post them online. An old robot. I had when I was a kid. I think I got it from Woolworth's toy department. I'm not totally sure. Little sayings, I think that's what that was. It had missiles here. It had 2 little rotary ears. Those were missing. I wonder where they went. No back cover. But pretty cool. Nice to see some of my old stuff. If you've ever seen, I still have my 2, well, there's one of them. My old Omnibots, I've kept those around just for looking at. Another thing I grabbed while I was there, some of my old Dungeons and Dragons stuff from way back when. Some might want that. Mork and Mindy lunchbox. I had that forever. Kind of rusty, but still cool. Another robot, GoBots. This was a little vehicle. It used to stand up like this as well. Let's actually show it. And then it had these little door panels. Probably not worth anything in this condition, but still cool. People always need parts. Some robot books. GoBots, really decent condition. Also, Erector set. Okay, here's a weird robot book I totally forgot I even owned as a kid. And if you look, it says B. Dalton. Nice. See? It's a pop-up book. Really weird book that I remember. See, little pop-up. But I'll just flip through it a little bit. Rah. Very interesting book. Okay, I think that, no, one more robot thing. Found a comic. Found a old Pac-Man game. Even found my Monchi umbrella as a kid. Still in good condition. Okay, anyway. A couple more D&D things, and here's the last robot thing. It was kind of a sketch thing. Could adjust the size of it and stuff. Kind of neat. I used it a little bit. I mostly hand drew all my robots. Okay, and that's that. Now we're going to move to the train stuff. Train stuff. Okay. I found my old Atlas turntable. They haven't changed much in a long time, but I grabbed it. As a kid, I had this little ride-a-top train. It didn't really work. I think I got it around the track once. But between that and the train that used to be at Hayworth Park that I rode, I've always wanted to build a ride-a-top, and look, here we are. 46 years old now, but hey, finally doing it. So I think I'll hang these up in the garage. I'll show you scale-wise how much smaller they are. But it's cute. It's a memory. I think that's kind of awesome. Okay. Other train stuff. This is from my original train set as a kid. We got a Union Pacific gondola. This is from the G.I. Joe set. I haven't found the rest of it yet. There's still so much to go through. Do that some other day when I get a chance. Part of a crane. The other part should be in here. Other part of the crane. I'm going to show you this right now just to get out of the way. This is my dad's. Very nice. I don't think it's ever been run. New York Central number 5446. I think they were built back in 1938, somewhere around there. Anyway, we're both from New York. He's from Brooklyn. I'm from Queens. So, yay. There's more trains that go with this, but just to get out of the way. Old Burlington North. Missing a truck. Cheesy system. It's got a pretty heavy weight in it. No trucks. Broken little stair thing there. But I'm surprised they're even still around. Another Union Pacific caboose. I'll put that one with the one that Denny got me. Thank you, Denny. Santa Fe. Missing the trucks. Come on. And my Texaco. Back when it existed. Pretty cool. Also, while we're going through there, my dad had some N-scale stuff, and I haven't even gone through it yet. Oh, one more. Ta-da! Great Northern. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. If I'm going to trade it, or sell it, or put it under the Christmas tree. I may do a little all three. But let's go through and see what's in there. Nice little F7, I think. Something like that. Union Pacific. Doesn't look like any of these have been run. Don't know what kind of unit it is, but it's a Burlington Northern. A little steam engine. Choo-choo. Caboose, Union Pacific, I think. Blurry. Come on, phone. There we go. Okay, let's do it in here. I'm not going to talk, I'm just going to show. Hopefully they focus. So, I personally have never owned any N-scale trains. I think they're cool and everything, but I'm a little too blind for them. while we were going through everything, I was also organizing all my dad's old, like 1950s O-gauge stuff, the track, the trains, and all that. They're so scattered around up in that barn. So I got a lot of it together and some totes for him as well. And there's still a lot of that to go through. But I think he got these in a trade when he was getting some other O stuff, and he just never ran it. It doesn't look like any of this has ever been out of this box before. And there's a lot of it. Since I have an HO railroad, I really don't have anywhere to put this. That's it for that box. Let me put these back in here, just so they don't get damaged. Okay, in this box, it looks like it was a train set, but has a lot of track in it. Oh, cool. I think they're throttles. Bunch of individual track. You got brass in, you got aluminum or whatever it is. One little switch. Might be an Atlas, I think. Yep, it's an Atlas. I could tell by this thing. Okay, now we're going to go over to the other box. Ta-da-da. Some track cleaner. Yay, I'm going to need that eventually. Now, that one string that my dad gave me, here's the other pieces that go with it. It's HO. And this HO one, I'm going to take inside when I'm done here and take some pictures and put them at the end of this video. As I usually say in my videos, when I actually talk, please subscribe, share, and comment. Even subscribe. Because I can't get out there if you don't share me. I don't even know what was in here. Just started glazing over the box. One of the logos. This thing's... No, that's a different box. Thinking of a different box. Sorry. HO receiver. Some other receiver for something. I don't know if that's... Anybody know? Lifelike Trains. Have to look that up. This one's definitely an HO. Got more track. I don't know what this thing does. No clue. Don't know if it's a sound thing or what. Or if it lights up. But that lights up. That's a lot of electronics for a light. I don't know if there's a speaker in there or what. Lots of track. Okay, I knew there was another HO train. And here's one that's never even been out of the box. Nice brand new Santa Fe. Never run. Just sitting in here. Spectrum. Master from the Master Railroader series from Bachmann. And if you don't like how I pronounce words, tough, I'm deaf. Okay, more choo-choos. Got a little tinker car in there, I'm not going to open it. Mars lights. Got a shell. Caboose. They're cute though. I like them. I just don't know what I'd do with them. Little semi. Last one. But yeah, there's a whole bunch of extra track that's never even been opened in here. Well, that's it for the unboxing. A few robots, a lot of trains, a lot of crap to go through. Also have a box of S-scale trains I got in a trade, but that's not from this barn find, or the family barn. Maybe I'll display some of these robots. Maybe I'll sell them for a couple bucks, get more train stuff. I don't know. Thank you for tuning in, and you'll see some pictures of the HO train unboxed. Have a great day. Brand new, don't think it's ever been out of the box. Definitely never ran, there's no marks on the wheels whatsoever. I'll have to test run it next time. I don't know if I said earlier, but my dad's from Brooklyn, not Bronx. If I said that wrong. But next to one of my regular Wellington Northerns. Just set it up on the track like that. Pretty like ghost gray color. Have a good day.